Make it a, 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 mic check, mic check, mic check, 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 check. What is going on, people? What is popping? Welcome back to the market. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you guys can hear me clearly coming into the airways, not the airwise, give me a quick thumbs up. And let's get the show on the road, people. Welcome back to market. Happy freaking Thursday morning. Happy Thursday freaking morning, people. Okay. All right, looking over the market, we do have ourselves, listen, this morning we got ourselves in Toronto a freaking snowfall. When I tell you guys we got a snowfall, we got ourselves a snowfall. Oh my days. Full workout in before 8 o'clock this morning. This was absolutely ridiculous. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's go over this, guys. We do ourselves some chips that are up this morning off of the earnings from TSM. A very interesting start to the day from the chip boys. Let's cover the SPY and the Qs. The Qs are up towards, oh, there we go. Yeah, we end up getting there. We ended up getting there. For those of you guys from the Discord, this was 393 that I was talking about. Or 693, sorry. This was the 693 that I was talking about. Rough shakeout, but we'll figure it out. Crazy. Okay, so the SPY is basically back to where we closed the market on Tuesday. Yesterday was basically erased within seconds. We did see the same thing here with the Qs, basically breaking back above support. The next level of resistance for the Qs should roughly be at around 629 as it looks to regain support here. It may come back down to retest the pre-market lows, but we'll wait and see how that looks. IWM up as well, having a little bit of pullback in the last 15 minutes here, but it's up a decent amount this morning. Bitcoin actually seeing a little bit of pullback as well. Quite a little bit from yesterday's highs. The big winner overnight was TSM, though, definitely up 5.5% after earnings. A significant win there for their earnings report. I'll take a look here at what the earnings report. I mean, I looked at the earnings report this morning, but I mean, we can get a nice quick headline here to kind of summarize it for everybody. So, Taiwan Semiconductor hikes their dividend 20% to $6, which is great. TSMC breaks big revenue milestone and sends these stocks soaring. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing fourth quarter revenue exceeds the NT 1 trillion mark. 33 billion was just one impressive statistic amid earnings release that dazzled across metrics on Thursday. The pre-market, okay, well, we'll look at the pre-market right now, so we have to kind of get to that report. But it is up significantly. Now, Nvidia was looking a little bit more like a flag. TSM was not. TSM to me is going to be on my caution list. Something that I may short at the open. How did this week look beforehand? Yeah. That might be something that I short at the open, depending on how did AVGO look? AVGO gap up. And then sold off. Or was it TSM? No, TSM gapped up and then sold off. Huh. Did you go over CRWV? I did not. I was very happy to see this morning here. CRWV is currently up 4.7% right now and looking great. So at this point in time, for those of you guys who are trading with us live, for those of you guys from the Discord, you may be up a share trade roughly 11 to 12% based off of the $84 breakout, which is great. If you're in an option trade after this breakout, we'll see what it looks like at market open. But, you know, calls for next week or next month could be up 15 to 35%, somewhere in that range, which is great, which is absolutely great. If you're on the outside looking in, you may be looking for a pullback towards $92 before jumping in long here. You might be looking at that. I would keep that part in mind. Tesla's looking decent. Apple just sitting at break even, not really moving at all. Google's up a little bit. Netflix heading in towards earnings here. Netflix has earnings on Tuesday coming up. That is soon. That is very soon. Interesting. Microsoft had a crazy sell-off day yesterday. He's trying to kind of come up from the basement. This was not a surprise whatsoever. Meta's also sitting in a very interesting spot right now. Currently a little bit green. MSTR could also see a reversal here off that daily candle print. Let's be careful. Mining stocks had a great day yesterday. A little bit red this morning, but for the most part, a great day yesterday. This looks like a double inside day and consolidation. Huh. Interesting. Cypher Mining could be ready to move here. It's had 2 days of consolidating nothing. I'm wondering if today is a breakout day for the stock. I'm wondering. Chat, drop some tickers into the chat with whatever you guys are looking at. We'll start pulling them up here bit by bit by bit. Those of you guys who are just jumping in here, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. If you have not yet, of course, smash the like button, engage the video. Appreciate that. Those of you guys who want to live trade with us this morning, link in the description to do so. We will be live trading in the next 35 to 40 minutes here to kick off the market day. Yesterday was a solid day. Yesterday was a solid day to start. I mean, out the jump. Google, Nvidia, Qs, all really kicking off the day with a very green position. I want to see. SMH. Silver is silver got to that $75 mark. It really did. This may be an end to silver. Not end, but the highs may be in for silver very soon. Very, 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 very soon. It is possible. All right, let's get into it, guys. What are you guys looking at right now? INTC. Next level up for INTC, guys, 51.28, looking strong so far. SMCI, not looking strong so far, but if it can maintain or regain, I should say, 29 bucks, it would look a lot better there. This weekly candle could set up to be a nice hammer holding above support, but it needs to get some buying stepping in soon. CRWV. I made a video on this, and I don't think many people took it seriously, but this has been a solid setup. I think risk first reward. Looking at 145 would be the next leg up, but it looks different here. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Let me see if I can find my CRWV posts. From January 11th, up 17% from this post. Good morning. Good morning, people. Okay. AVGO had a complete sell-off day yesterday, reversed so far this morning. ARM is also looking strong here. It almost came right back down towards the support level, seeing a little bit of a bounce here already. I have a feeling like I'm going to short TSM out the gate. I have a feeling like I'm going to short TSM out the gate. I do. Tesla, not really moving much at all this morning. It's up 0.4%. The Meg 7 isn't really moving much this morning. In comparison to the chips, they're all up like 0.3, 0.1 to 0.5% with the exception of Amazon. Amazon's up 1%, but they did have the largest sell-off yesterday, so fair. Yeah, not much movement from the Meg 7 this morning. Nokia is up 4%. Oklo's up a little bit here. Let me just take a look at some of these other names here. Yeah, not much green this morning. Copper, lithium, earthy names, solar names. Solar names up a little bit. These space names are getting a lot of love. Rocket Lab also seeing a little bit of pullback here. But these space names here are getting a lot of love. Rocket Lab is skating thin ice, but it's still holding on. It's still holding on. NVAX down 1%. I mean, if it can break back above 828, it's a clear-cut level that I have here all the way back from God knows when. Where did that level come from? I don't know where this level came from. Oh. No. Yeah, I'm not sure where that level came from. It looks okay here. It looks okay. It's kind of seeing like a... I was going to say an inverse head and shoulder pattern developing here, but it's not even quite there yet. Yeah. I'd be patient here. Maybe a breakout over resistance would look a little better. Maybe. Planet Labs currently up 1%, up 5% yesterday, just straight up. So we covered this a few weeks ago after their earnings. And since their earnings, this stock has basically gone straight up 79%. Just straight up. And it was very simplistic. As long as it stayed above 15 bucks, trade this thing long, and it has been very successful. Very successful. I did not trade this name. No. I think at one point in time I did have shares. I didn't trade options on it. I think at one point in time I did have shares. But after a significant green day, I just took my profits. So I might have made like 10, 12% on this move. Maybe. You know? 10, 12%. That's about it. Maybe on some runners I made 13, 14, but nowhere close to 80%. Nowhere close. Walmart. Yesterday was an interesting day for Walmart. Just kind of consolidated there. I do think Walmart had some positive flow coming in here. WMT. The heck? All right, well, this is interesting. Somebody is trying to tag Walmart for 122 calls for tomorrow. Interesting. Sensing some degen action here. Did you just see what Riley did yesterday? No, take a look here. Currently up 41%. Market cap is 230 million. So this is a very small cap stock. But there is a gap fill here that looks like it's trying to test. At minimum, wow, a weekly gap fill is insane. At minimum, I would wait for a pullback towards 988. At minimum, before even trying to get back up towards 16 bucks. But it's already up 40%. So if you're looking at chasing this move here, just remember, there are going to be people that are up 40% that are also looking to take profit. It's going to go both ways. Both freaking ways. Interesting, interesting, interesting. D Pro been killing it. Let's take a look at D Pro. D Pro currently sitting at up 4%. This is another tough one. Last time it was in this range, it had a pretty significant sell-off. Like 58% in a month, basically, is what we saw from last time in this range here. So you got to be very careful. This name does move up quickly. It also moves down just as fast. I'd be very careful here. It's up 4% in the pre-market. I mean, if you like it, you got it. You got it. No need to press. No need to press at all. Okay, where's the SPY at now? Okay, this is gonna be interesting for sure. Time for meta calls? I think so, yeah. I think it's time to start the meta trade. It's been a long time coming, but I know meta's gonna go. 7-to-1 risk versus reward ratio here. I don't know. This is kind of what I was looking for. This is kind of what I was looking for. I can't really complain too much. Huh. This is going to be an interesting market open. Yeah, this is going to be a very interesting market open. This is going to be a very interesting market open. Oof. Starbucks. I don't really trade this thing at all. It just doesn't have great price action. This does look like it's coming out the basement to push back up towards maybe, triple digits here. I just not trading it myself. Maybe more of a share trade or a long-term hold if that's something that you guys like. But it just doesn't move great. This is the way it looks to me. This is the way it looks to me. Looks like it's trying to cup around and get back up towards 98 to 100 bucks here, maybe. That's about it. That's about it. Yeah, so we'll see. All right, guys. Gang, we're going to leave things there for now. Thank you guys very much for tuning in this morning. Hope you guys are having such a great day. For those of you guys who want to live trade with us, guys, and get into all these trades and moves ahead of time, a link in the description for a 10-day trial. Feel free to join us. We will be live trading first things first this morning and having a ball. Taking some interesting yellow shots this week to end off this week for sure. Outside of that, guys, enjoy yourselves. I will be back again tomorrow morning for YOLO Friday. We'll be back in just 24 hours. Okay. Enjoy yourselves and catch you guys on the flip side. Earnings season is upon us. Twitch, I got your points. Hold on 1 second.